Now, if you're looking for the best foldable phone for gaming, you're not going to find anything better currently than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. And I've been using this phone as my daily driver for making phone calls, texting, watching videos, and of course, and most importantly, gaming. Now, I'm a huge mobile gamer. I probably spend anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour every day playing games on my phone. And honestly, with this one, you get that massive 7.6-inch display. Even when it's not opened up, you could actually just play from the outer display, which is 6.1 inches. So, you do have that going for you as well. And obviously, if you're considering investing into one of these foldable phones, they are not cheap. Even if you go with something that's a couple years old, they're still selling for anywhere between like $900 and $1,200. And right now, this is the top tier Samsung foldable, selling for $1,800. But there are a lot of deals going on right now for it. And if you want to check any of those out, of course, I'll throw some great resource links directly below in the description. And now, for this gaming example with this phone, I'm actually going to run some Injustice 2, which is an awesome fighting game, and it's currently available on Xbox Cloud Gaming, so that is where I'm going to run it. Of course, as you guys are watching this, if you could tap the like button on this video, I would greatly appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't, and let's run it.
Silas isn't here. It's over, Victor.
Here comes the play of the game.
You don't see it yet, but Superman's wrong. Your glider skills need work.
Of all people, I thought you would understand. Superman. Hail Hestia.
Don't waste my time.
You're getting shut down.
Don't be so sure. to stop you. Powers don't matter. There's no peace in revenge.
Running out of chances, Bruce.
I'm sorry, Clark. Get away from me.
Look who I found. Victor Sass. Psych.